Yo, what's your boy Clifton vlogging videos here. I'm going to show you how you build smashers. So you'll see 2 bits that say smashers. Leave them to the side. So you have the 4 blank pieces and a toy. Grab the first piece that's blank, put it in your palm like this. Thumb here, to your fingers here. Then grab 2 pieces of the blank piece and put them here. Then hold it with your fingers because they don't click. Grab one of the pieces that says smashers and drop it. Put your thumb here, 2 fingers on the bottom to hold it. Hold it lightly, not so lightly. Hold it just kind of hard as well. Now put the toy in. Then put the other smashers piece on. Now this part's a bit tricky, but you can do it. Grab the piece, put it diagonals, and then turn it so it's in there. Pull it, so put it down, thumb here, index finger there. Make it so it's up, and then when it fixes, click. There, now you finished it. Bye. Bye, vloggers out there.